So now I want to show you another way to transform an object. So at first I will create a circle. So now we have a circle. I will change it a bit and add a material again, a basic material. And now I will insert an operator called randomcluster. So this operator draws everything, every child of him 100 times right now. So it draws 100 circles at a random position, so at a random transform, basically. I can change this number, like, for example, to just draw 10 or 20 circles. Yeah. So we don't see 20 circles here. This is because the circles are drawn around us, and we can see them by adding a transform again and rotating, and we see we are actually standing in the middle of this cluster. And we can use the transform to look around and see the other circles. So we have the transform before the random cluster, so everything, so we rotate the whole cluster. You see the circles are not rotating itself, but the whole cluster only. So when I now create another transform after the random cluster and before the circle, so here, you see when I change this, I will rotate the circles individually, while here it will rotate the whole thing at once. So this is a hierarchy of the transforms, and yeah. So I don't want to look around just by rotating the whole thing with this transform, so I will delete it again. And I will add another operator called orbitcontrols, like this. And this thing basically makes this patch interactive. I can now just click here and rotate and use my mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out and see the whole circle cluster here. And yeah, the cluster itself, you can change the size of the cluster, make it really small. You see all circles are now at one position. Or you can just scale it on every axis or change the rotation of the circle. So when I remove this, they are basically not rotated at all. And yeah, you can make some really interesting visuals with this operator. It's really, really handy. Yeah, that's it.